What's up YouTube, it's me again, time for another video. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this. It's a super easy straw blowgun. And I'll be teaching you how to make the dart that goes into the blowgun. It's a super cheap build. It took me like 5 minutes to make, and yeah, it only takes a straw, a paper clip, a smaller straw, and a few other things, and you'll be all set. Yeah, this is super cheap and super easy to make. I actually wasn't planning to make it. It wasn't really on my YouTube schedule at all, but someone had commented on it in either the discussion or one of my videos, so I decided to take a try at it. And yeah, so here we are. Here's the blowgun, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make it. Alright, let's get started. So, this is going to be a very simple build, and the only two things that we need for the barrel itself is a large milkshake straw and a paper clip. As of supplies, we're going to need tape and some scissors. So the first thing that you're going to do is, first check if the milkshake straw has a sharp point, because if it does, you're going to just want to cut that off. So you're left with a nice, smooth straw. And then once you have that, you're going to want to cut a slit right here, and then a slit on the opposite side. So you're going to have 2 slits. Next, you're going to want to take your paper clip, and basically you're going to want to unravel it. And then, so it's going to end up something like this. And basically, you're going to want to bend it a little bit so that it's a little bit thinner. And then you're going to want to cut off the ends of some. Depending on your scissors and your paper clip, you might not be able to do this. If you're not able to do this, that's fine. It just makes it look nicer. So now we are going to slip the paper clip through the slit. Where did I put the slits? Oh, there's on this side. Sorry. But basically, yeah, we're gonna put it through the slits like that. So we end up with this. And then we're going to secure it with tape. Like that. And basically, this is going to stop the dart from going to accidentally falling into your mouth. So yeah. Alright, well that's how you make the barrel. It's now time to make the dart. So for the darts, you can actually just use little pushpins like these, and if you put them into the barrel like that, and then blow them, you can actually get them about 5 to 8 feet. But if you want to get your darts farther, you can make them yourself. And to make them, basically, just get a small straw that can fit inside here. You're going to cut it about maybe a ½ an inch, and then you're going to want to get wire. And this wire you can actually use like little shred that you cut off of the paper clip a while ago. That will work just fine. But I wanted to be more professional and got myself an actual wire. So yeah, it's pretty thick wire, the kind you would find in a fence or something. So yeah, make sure that it's thick. So the first thing that you're going to do is cut it. You're going to want it about a little less than the length of the straw. But yeah, so now we are going to hot glue it in here. So you're going to need a glue gun with some glue sticks. It's going to be pretty easy. Basically, what you have to do is just flood the inside of the straw with hot glue, like that, and then just stick the dart in, and then wait for it to dry. Go. Now we wait. Alright, so I've waited for a while now, and it seems dry. I actually made a couple, and the key here is patience. I glued them and then I just taped them to the tape dispenser, stuck them to the tape dispenser like that while they measurements, but this one seems dry already, and I tried it out, and it shot about like 10 feet actually, so yeah, it was pretty powerful. Alternatively, of course, like I said, you can use a pushpin instead of making your own, which pushpins are like, you can just find them around your house, but a pushpin you can only shoot a pushpin up to 5 to 8 feet, while this can go 10 feet and maybe more. So yeah. So here it is up close. But yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. So I assume that you know that how a blowgun works. Basically, you take the dart and you put it in, and the paperclip inside stops it from going into your mouth, and then you put your mouth onto it, and then you shoot it. Super simple. That's basically it, everyone. It's pretty simple. Like, it's really simple, but it packs a punch. All I have to do is put the dart in, let it fall down, and it shoots. I just lost the dart. Yeah, it shoots pretty far, like really far. I just lost the dart that I just fired. I don't know where it is. I'm gonna look for it after I finish filming this. But yeah. That's one note, always keep your eyes on the darts when you're shooting it, and yeah. But that's basically it, everyone. If you like this video, please go ahead and press that like button, and if you want to see more of my stuff, go ahead and check out my channel, and if you like it, you know, subscribe. And if you want to, you know, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, because why not? But yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time on the Gadgetsmith.